Hello guys, good morning. How are you guys? How's your PM session yesterday, that huge sell off? That huge sell off was crazy. Happy I got some piece of this, like 140 points on this drop I got. I was trying to long, got around like 70 points. Yesterday PM session was way better than AM session, like way better. As well as Asia wasn't bad at all. Of course. Of course, of course. Anyway, quick update. I was analyzing today Forex pair right here. I still have two targets higher. So first one was hit, second one was about to hit. So as you can see, I put my targets at flat candles. So on gold, unfortunately, I got one break even, one win. In my opinion, break even was like solid. I wanted to leave like this two stop loss, but I was like, it was tricky trades right here. When I saw like it offered sweep right here, I just like break even then. But it's okay, I guess. But still disappointed. This buy side liquidity looks so nice to me. Okay. CL still go. I hope it's going to go to my TP. I'm not in Belarus. It is probably it's like 4 p.m. there, but I'm not in Belarus. So as you can see, we got sell side. It's not really sell side liquidity. It's sell side liquidity and 2 standard deviation. Fortunately, it doesn't want to hit my final TP right here. I hope it will hit, but too many games around this level right here. We got equal lows. So let's see how it goes. I hope it's going to hit my final TP. And Q. And Q is okay, I guess. I still would like to see a bit lower than TGIF. So we need to see new lows a day. And what about? Yes, exactly the same. So we swept just London low right here, Asia low taken. So let's see if ES can offer a new low of the day as well. I hope so. I guess what I want to do is just focus on NQ and keep ES another screen. So far we got new lows a day. Right here, this pink box is TGF. You can find this on your indicator section, TGIF, right here. Additionally, it should be blue color. Let me change this. And guys, how many people right here? Okay. If you go to description to my stream, today's stream, just scroll down, you will find it calls like free prop guide PDF, prop firm guide PDF. Just download this, okay? I did, and let me know what do you think about this. Just go to description and scroll down. It even calls like free prop firm guide PDF. Something like this. I call like this. So I'm going to just observe different markets today. Waiting for the closure of hourly candle right now on gold. So no reason to trade right now, but it can be actually continuation. If it wants to be continuation, we must get displacement of this candle right here. No displacement yet. No change in the state of delivery yet. Right here, nothing. Nothing I like right now to trade as continuation. My final TP was hit. If you just go on weekly chart, we entered weekly fair value gap, if I remember correctly. So then we have volume imbalance right here. So let's see how it goes right here. CL doesn't want to hit my final TP. Right here, Forex pair right here. Still would like to see higher, kind of stuck. At least right here, the second TP. Okay, I set alerts. We will see how it goes. On NQ, I would like to see TJF. So I will just look which one will offer better setup to trade. Let's see. It's only 9:35. I hope it should offer something. And right here, I'm going to open 1 minute chart just to see what is going on there. Yes, hit Asia low. Amazing. So let's see if it may offer a change in the state of the. If I see setup on gold, we'll trade gold. Don't worry. So just for now, no reason to look for trade because we already got the move to sell side liquidity. Another PD and high time frame is weekly volume imbalance. So, but first we need to see how we can close right here on hourly. So I will look at gold after 10 a.m. We will see which one will offer better setup. So we got sell side liquidity right here. Oh, it's like 50 points away. That's crazy. And we got some lows on forward chart. Let's set alerts right here and see how it goes. For now, it's important to see how we can close on a 1 hour chart. Oh, it's daily. Never mind. Hourly right here. Let's see how it goes. On CL, I don't know, like, it seemed like perfect target right here. Right now, just consolidation. Absolutely nothing to trade. Where is my high time frame candles? Like nothing to trade right now. Hope next candle is going to be continuation to take sell side liquidity, but nothing here yet. Let's see. Nice recovery after we took Asia low on both ES and NQ. Why it's so volatile? This is why I decided to switch on different instruments right now, because it's extremely hard to trade in Q recently. 1 minute inversion. On 5 minute chart, nothing yet. No change in the state of delivery, absolutely nothing. 2 minute chart. We don't have inversion yet. 3 minute chart. We just have this high right here. That's it so far, nothing more. Yeah, I am session like crazy recently. I'm not going to lie. I see it like, okay, okay, okay. Yeah, TJF will be nice to see. Yes, ES already took TJF levels before market open. So right now we have new level, but before this we took this. So actually reversal today, this morning on ES was right from TJF. If I want to ignore this low right here, if I'm mistaken right here, we reversed right from 20%. So yeah, then. We got inversion on 2 minute chart. I like it honestly, but with this volatility, should I even try this? I don't know. TJF, just go on ICT YouTube channel. He has like 40 minutes video about TJF, if not mistaken. Okay, so far sweep, 2 minute inversion, amazing inversion, honestly. But even if, let me see, even if I want to long this, with stop loss at 50% of this week and aim for 50 points stop loss. No, that's crazy. On 5 minute chart, we have nothing yet. We don't have change in the state of delivery. We have nothing right now too long. So I like just to see confirmation on 1 hour chart or 5 minute chart. Nothing yet. Like nothing right now to trade. NQ, what's wrong with you? What happened with you? We were good friends. What happened? What happened? Okay, we got I declaimed fair value gap on SPX. Just okay, I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. So SPX has room to go a bit lower. Instead, it just filled the gap right here and trying to react. Okay, we have once again 1 hour declaimed fair value gap, a bit lower, and sell side liquidity. Yeah, just once again, you need to go to description to my video, scroll down, it calls like free guide. Free guide. It cannot be. It cannot. It can cost like $0. So we got change in the state of delivery on gold. And it's like 17 points away from next sell side liquidity level. Now the question, if it wants to be protected high, but if it wants to be protected high, it must close below this low right here. Give me 1 second. If it may close below this level, it will be protected. Yeah, I would like to see how we can close on 5-minute chart. If it wants to be protected, if it wants to be break of structure to from protected high right here. This means we can put stop loss above this high right here. I guess. Okay, I'm going to wait how we can close right here. Oops. Depends. So far, just sweep. I will keep you updated, so I'm not sure about this yet. Okay. CL, I don't like it. Not going to trade CL. And Q, nothing yet. Failed to offer change in the state of delivery. Instead, just swept this high right here, which is bearish sign for me. Let's see. We have news in 3 minutes. Just, let's see. No reason to force any trades right now. Because looks like PM is going to be way better. Again. Yeah, let's go. We'll see, guys. Let's see how it goes. It's still inside 2-minute inversion right here. Maybe even over at OT. Yeah, it offered OT. I don't need London low anymore. Pretty solid week right here. It can be bullish candle. But we are going to find out in 17 minutes only. I like how it's trying to just react 2-minute inversion. But I guess no reason to take any trades before 9:45. Immediately tested this level right here. It just, I know, like. It's crazy. So this blue box is TGF box. We have news in 1 minute, guys. I'm not on trade. I'm going to wait for 9:45 because I have no idea how volatile it's going to be. Ideally, obviously, I would like to see TGF, but I don't know, like. Did you ever make a video about T-trades? He made this video on his YouTube channel. Just go on his YouTube channel. He explained that. 15-minute candle looks bullish so far. That's pretty much it. We have news in 2 seconds. No trades for me yet. We got 1 minute change in the state of delivery. We got immediate retest. But once again, nothing I like yet. On 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, by the way, it offered order block. It may offer deeper retracement, I guess. SPX doesn't want to move at all yet. Just, trying to find confirmation, any confirmation to trade. Nothing yet. Nothing I like yet. We got this displacement right here. We got protected high right here on gold. Sell side liquidity right here. But I noticed not always reaching sell side liquidity. Let's try to find different PD rays. Oh, here we go. We have breakaway gap. It's not even 2R, not worth it. But we got untapped 15-minute fair value gap right here, which I like. Thank you. Nothing interesting yet. Still trying to hold this OB. Fair value gap. Is it first presented? No, first presented is right here. And we got a reaction from first presented fair value gap. It looks interesting right now, kind of not in sync with ES and Q right now. Because ES looks more bearish than bullish, if I want to compare this with NQ. But we'll see. Oh yeah, thank you. We got reclaimed for, it's inversion, not reclaimed. Inversion, yeah, thank you. Inside 2-minute inversion right here. Yeah, my bad. I did not see this. No, not trade yet. No. Once again, once I'm trade, you're gonna find out first. I'm going to show you immediately. Yeah, I'm going to show you immediately. Did you like this reaction from 1 minute change in the state of delivery? It's so volatile right now, but long looks so nice to London high and TJF right here. But you took sell on gold. What is your target? Once I'm in trade, I'm going to show you immediately. What is your target on gold? I have target at 28.45. What about you? Yeah, I'm waiting for 5-minute confirmation. Exactly. So gold, okay, on gold, I'm going to just type this in chat. 15-minute BG means breakaway gap at 28.45.1. So I like this level. It's for gold. Why you set this at 29? What level do you have there? Because below 15-minute breakaway gap, we have sell side liquidity at 28.37. Yeah. Okay. If you can take partial, it's not financial advice. At this drop on gold, I highly recommend to take this on top. Okay, on the top of 15-minute breakaway gap. It's 28.45. Just like partial. Seems good to me because it offered breakaway breakout structure. I feel like right here. See this? 28.45.1 is 15-minute breakaway gap. So it also like untapped fair value gap, right? So like conservative TP, why not? Something like this, 50% of new week opening gap. Did you backtest new week opening gap works nice on gold? I just said like partial right here will be much better. Partial. I'm not saying like take profit right here. But if you may see continuation after we got break of structure, we got protected high, we got change in the state of delivery right here, I would aim for fair value gap right here, like PD ray, near PD ray. But let's see how it goes. Still trying to hold this 1 minute OB. Nothing changed. Strong level at 29. It's tricky right now. I do like how we're trying to respect 1 minute OB, but I cannot see displacement. That's why it's a bit tricky. Because normal days I could give it a try to aim for London high and TJF. But the reasons I don't want to displace, like, that's strange. It's right. By the way, it's below liquidity level. Once again, I'm looking for 28.45. As you can see, nothing on NQ right now. Just like, that's annoying. Yeah, but gold doesn't look bad, honestly. As, for example, continuation pattern, we got change in the state of delivery, break of structure to downside. I would say NQ stuck between 2 4-hour fair value gaps. Usually that's a great sign of consolidation. Unfortunately. Yeah, here's continuation. Maybe not best in terms of risk reward, but I would say high probability right here to finish market maker sell model. And right here is like conservative TP, Maybe next target is going to be 37.5. I cannot trade in Q right now. I mean, I can trade, but right now it's so choppy, so no thank you. We are not best friends anymore with NQ. From what I can see so far, they tested previous day low level RTH test. It's trying to hold 1 minute OB, but it's so ugly on 5-minute chart. So I'm just sitting on my hands. Safe. Okay. Only yes. We don't have 5-minute change in the state of delivery as well. But hourly candle, it's about to be like bullish candle, but I don't know, like 6 minutes left. We'll see. Just look at these wicks right here. That's so tricky. Doesn't want to close above this 5-minute fair value gap. How to measure TJF? If you go on ICT YouTube channel, he explains this pretty well. Because since we got SMT right here on 1-hour chart, right here, right now, I can anticipate potential continuation, but with this week, I guess continuation is done. Because candle 3 already offered solid move to Asia low. So next level to downside is like impossible, at least for now. Maybe possible, but right now, Not really. Just from what I can see so far, in my opinion, yes looks more better than NQ. I can be wrong, but just for now. Guys, once again, we're about to hit 15-minute fair value gap. If you can take partial, my friendly advice, you can take partial at 28.45. As I said like 3 times already, just my friendly recommendation. I said partial, so it's up to you if you want to take it. It's up to you. Again, 5-minute chart. I'm going to remove some levels. I don't need them. Previous day low level, trying to hold this. 5-minute fair value gap. We cannot close. We cannot close above this level. As I said, ES looks more better than NQ right now. Exactly. Since beginning of 2025, maybe that's me. But NQ, it was much easier to trade in December. Which is sad. Yeah, they're about to be in sync, so we'll see how it goes. CL? Oh, no way. Like, finally? Are you serious? It just took a couple of hours to reach this TP. Not yet. But once again, when I just saw the setup, I was like, it should, like, textbook. But then choppiness right here, I was like, okay, maybe I'm wrong. Which also could be possible, like, it should hit, right? So it sells at liquidity lines up with 2 standard deviation of this manipulation leg. We got equal lows right here. I mean, nothing holds. Like 5 cents left. Let's see. My TP is 69.19. 2 standard deviation 2 cents lower. We just took this equal lows. Can be partial level, right? Right here, since equal lows. Partial level, once again. But full TP is right here, so nothing changed. Gold must reach our TP. If not, then it's a scam. It was 1 cent? 1 cent away. I mean, well, from what I can see on NQ, trying to stay inside 2-minute inversion. 1 minute reclaimed, not reclaimed, 1 minute, first minute fair value gap, it's inversion right now as well. On gold, I would like to see 15-minute fair value gap, so it's some sort of P0 in medium time frame. As I said, 28.45.1 is like partial level, conservative TP. but doesn't want to hit yet, right? It should. At least it should, because it's like conservative TP, medium time frame PD ray. It's like conservative. Oh, hit this. Okay. It's like partial level, as I said before. Next TP is going to be sell side liquidity right here. Once again, absolutely perfect structure. We got break of structure with displacement. We got protected high right here. Changing the state of, yeah, it wasn't bad. Breakaway gap. Next TP is right here. But once again, highly recommend to consider this as partial level. Interesting, still trying to stay. Oh, TP is target take profit right there. Target, your target. Yes, 5-minute order block. Changing the state of delivery is real OB. Is target. This is what I meant. You got 1 minute inversion. I don't understand why NQ doesn't want to go higher, because we have TJF and a London high higher. Really like. Well, okay, CL hit our TP. Let's see if it may hit our TP right here on Forex. Today market was way better than, I mean, CL, gold, euro right here was way better than NQ. Yes, it's oil. Sorry, guys. It's just much easier for me to say like CL, right? It's on gold. Once again, we have liquidity level right here. I can consider this as final target, but conservative target is right here. I explained why. CL is oil. Oil futures. The test of 1 minute inversion fair value gap, which was first presented fair value gap, swaps this high, but we have liquidity level higher. It's not changing the state of delivery yet. We don't have the closure. Like this ideal scenario for me, but if it wants to go lower first, then see this equal lows, then higher to TJF, something like this. So on gold, exactly same strategy as on NQ, but I guess, yes, I can record something like, it's not strategy, it's just logical understanding of power of 3, but it's okay, it's not a problem for me. 664 protected high. Yes, I can. Yes, good job. Yes. It's protected. So far, we don't have 5-minute change in the state of delivery because we don't have the closure. It's annoying. So far, yes, it's protected high right here since we got break of structure to downside. 3-minute. 3-minute? Yeah, I don't really consider 3-minute chart as changing the state of delivery. Usually trying to confirm the structure on 5-minute chart. Like, confirm the structure, but nothing wrong to execute on 3-minute chart after this, on 1-minute chart. But on gold, perfect delivery. Absolutely amazing reaction. So happy with this. You know, gold right now, pretty similar to NQ that we had, price action on NQ that we had in July, August, summer price action, which was nice to me. Yeah, so far, at least I'm happy we got live call on gold, so at least we got set up on the stream on gold. Maybe it was, how many points? Oh, 10 points. We call 10 points, which is nice, right? I guess, nice. CL perfect delivery. Right now, I hope to get something on NQ. Please, NQ, do something, please. Sizing goal. I will create a table this weekend and will share my risk management on gold because I need to work on this. It's like new instrument to me. I will share. So I'm going to trade micros, not going to trade mini on gold. So I will adjust my risk management to how to trade gold. I mean, I create table, so I will share on Twitter. NQ price action is painful. So painful. Oh my God. Yes, you're allowed. So it's, yeah, we have gold futures. You can trade this. Yes, I do trade live. I execute in front of people. If it was your question. Oh yeah, look at this. We hit my second TP. Now the question if it may hit my final TP. Absolutely amazing. You need homework? I will think about this. I said like different markets is nice. Absolutely solid market maker by model. As you can see, I aimed for flat candles. And final target is also flat candles, equal highs. Maybe I need to start really trading forex. Okay, what is this? It's, if you know forex, it's like euro futures. So it's not like really forex, but I can trade this. It's like futures, you know. I can execute this on Apex, on my funded futures. I can execute this, I believe, on Tapstep. I'm going to check this because I'm not sure, but probably I can. Did not execute this on Tapstep yet. So let's see. Here's final TP. I like this expansion with this inversion on 5-minute chart. But here's final. It's like second TP. Just a question if we may hit this. Campaign with NQ, like, once again. Oh, I can? Amazing then. I can execute this on top steps, then it's even better. NQ. What about to offer something? Just asking. Like, something. Oops. Only level that I like on NQ is TJF. 20% of this current weekly range. Bottom of this blue box. So most of the time I trade in Q. Like 99% of the time I trade in Q. And on this, from this week, beginning of this week, I started trying to trade gold, more CL, euro futures. Just started learning different markets because NQ wasn't easy for me, like last couple of months. Reason why I decided to explore different markets. 29 is like too high for me, at least for now. So preferably I would like to see a range right here, like first. I guess everything is above this level is like bonus. But here's the range that I'm looking for between 20% and what level right here? I don't remember. No, daily manipulation. At least in Q offered 5-minute change in the state of delivery, so London high is like first TP, partial level. But final target is 20% of weekly range. Bottom of this box, 731, 730. But so far it's impossible to execute. I cannot find any entry right now to execute something, so I'm not in this trade. Well, because with this range on NQ, I don't want to have stop loss like 80 points. But I would say it's impossible to have like less than 50 points right now. So right now I cannot find long setup. I'm just sitting on my hands. I guess second Friday in a row is cheaper section. I would say, yeah, last week it wasn't perfect, but 2 weeks ago it wasn't even like, it was ugly. Right now, so far consolidation 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart, lots of weeks. Look at gold. That's coincident, of course. Untapped fair value gap space. Like untapped fair value gap means fair value gap that we never like traded into. So for example, measuring gap, breakaway gap, what else? That's it. So for untouched fair value gaps. Best levels to aim for, I guess. This is what I do on NQ, so I guess on gold it also looks good. Okay, I would say we entered 15-minute PD array. Let's see if we may create structure for smart money universal, because if we create structure for smart money universal, we will run this high. For me, no re-entry because main PD array taken. That's why I said like friendly advice to take partial right here, at least. Ugly. If it can, I would say if it can do like this, we got equal lows. Maybe a bit higher, like this. I will not be surprised to see this picture. Maybe not that high, but TJF, please. Because this move up can offer 2-minute model, which we can try to trade. Oh, that's JC. GC, so for gold. You will find this on top step, I guess. Not a guess, you should find there. So ES hit TJF, bottom of this box, 20% of weekly range. NQ did not. I do like this equal lows right here. Did you hope to get 2-minute model to trade retracement down? Because this move up was ugly. And for me personally, maybe for other people, it's okay, untradeable. Reaction from TJF only yes. Unfortunately, we don't have 2-minute inversion, nothing. This is why I expect to get higher 2-minute inversions and retracement down to sell side liquidity right here. To trade short to sell side liquidity. Equal lows and sell side liquidity right here. But I cannot find the structure to trade this. Yes, it can be higher from PD ray, exactly. Yeah, first presented fair value gap, especially inversion, was amazing. Are you serious? As I said, it's so hard to trade. Like, it doesn't make sense at all for me. Rejection from previous month's low so far. London high taken as well, so. But kind of not enough for me to consider this as a high from PD ray. As, for example, just rejection point for retracement. I would say not really. It can be PD ray, but higher than lower to this sell side. I mean, I would like to look for short to aim for these levels right here, but first I would like to see higher because it makes a little bit more sense to me. But instead, we just will consolidate. Yeah, this equal lows looks so nice, I agree with you. Maybe, yeah, I kind of don't mind. You know, I'm looking for conservative levels. Yeah, I'm not going to chase. Just trying to find good entry. No magnets right now because I'm not in this trade. Yes, that's micro contracts. Yes. Please don't do this with me. Just a bit higher than drop. We need crystal. I guess so. ICT talk about weekless candles. I just not sure which video it was, but if not mistaken, he covered this. I just not sure in which video. Unfortunately, maybe people here can say something. Yeah, he definitely did, but once again, I'm not sure when and which video. (2023) mentorship. Okay. You don't need. I don't sell any courses, so I share everything for free. So go on ICT YouTube channel first, study core content, and I also have some educational videos on my YouTube channel. I don't mind to short, but only I wanted to see short from here. But instead, they playing games with us. Not going to sell any mentorships, no. Go on ICT YouTube channel and study core content. Core content. Start with core content. Best mentorship ever. You have small 2-minute inversion on ES. Absolutely nothing on NQ. Balance chart right here, which is so annoying. Go on ICT YouTube channel, core content. He literally covered what is order block, what is propulsion block, breaker block, fair value gap, like core content for like if you're beginner, don't start with 2022 mentorship, but start with core content. Amazing content there. $740. It's like TJF, 20% of weekly range. Yeah, no problem. If I was market maker, I would send this NQ chart to 20% of weekly range before the drop. Because I want to engage in this trade. Market makers, can you please open YouTube and start watching my stream? I just ask one question. Just one. Can you go right here? I know this level means nothing to you, but just for me. Just for me. 730, that's all I ask. Please. It's a scam. Exactly. Just asking, like, a bit higher. Like, a bit higher. By the way, in reality, it's not like a bit higher. It's like 60 points away so far. Oh my God. Yeah, so far, exactly. Typical price action on Friday. I guess I don't want to go to this level because of my circle. It's not perfect. But I'm left-handed and use right hand to hold my mouse. Unfortunately, I cannot make it better. See? Unfortunately, it's impossible to make it better. Just go right here. I put magnet. To be more serious, we just entered for our fair value gap. Finally, we touched this. But I guess I don't want to see another sweep. I don't really use Nivik opening gap at, like, in my trading. Not really. So looking for this range. That's because of my magnet, I told you. Thank you for market makers to you trying to listen to me. That's amazing. Like 2 magnets. Strong magnet. Exactly. Just a bit higher. I see this. Come on, like 10 more points. Enter TJF, that's all I ask. Maybe a bit higher right here, which is also okay to me. It's not hit for me. So we got one more sweep right here. The test of TJF so far. And on NQ, not on NQ, on ES, we have TJF target and next level if it wants to continue going higher. Equilibrium of previous range. That's it. That's all I have. $7.75. I don't remember, honestly. Why I put the target right here. I don't remember. I had this from yesterday, so I don't remember, guys, why 7.75 was my TP, but it was my TP for the night. Why? I don't know. Did not even retrace to the 5-minute OP. It was close, but did not. We're inside 4-hour fair value gap right now. Inside hourly fair value gap. But 15-minute candle, yeah, looks bullish, agree with you. $7.60, 15-minute fair value gap. Okay, yeah. I have it on my indicator. I just created 15-minute inversion. With this candle right here, we got immediate retest from what I can see. Did not touch 15-minute fair value gap. Usually when we have huge expansion day, yes, we trace back to equilibrium of previous day range. So we will see. This hourly candle is so bullish. So bullish right now. Stuck right here. Nice reversal from 50-minute fair value gap. Nice reversal from my final TP right here. SPX. We have equal highs right here on SPX. It's like 12 points away so far. And we have fair value gap right here as well. Let's see. I expect to get retracement, but not reversal. This hourly candle looks so bullish right here. So I cannot even trust any reversal points right here. I can anticipate retracement somewhere right here to 50-minute inversion right now. So we have equal lows right here, but just looking at this chart, kind of deep retracement. $7.05, we have 5-minute untapped fair value gap. I don't think bearish day today as well. What I want to see is the trace. Which level is this? The trace. Ideal is this, but once again, maybe it's going to be just buy. But for the second stage of reaccumulation, I want to see this retracement down, then continuation higher. I guess. So 800 is institutional level. I didn't mind to see retracement, then another continuation. For retracement, we could get 2-minute model, but we don't have fair value gap on 2-minute charts. That's why, unfortunately, looks like not going to offer any 2-minute models today. Let's chase 1-minute OB right now. Not perfect one, but 1-minute OB. Trying to respect 5-minute untapped bearish fair value gap. About to hit 50% of our fair value gap for the retracement down and continuation higher. We have breakaway gap right here. We have OB on 2-minute chart. We have the potential retest of 15-minute inversion fair value gap. You know, something like this. Unfortunately, the only problem for this retracement, I cannot trade this because we don't have 2-minute model right here. I could try, but oh my god. But so what I can see on 5-minute chart is this untapped fair value gap. Basically, we have two. Oh, I guess I highlighted this wrong. No, it's okay. So right here, first, I would say support. And once we can break it, if may break it, I would like to see a order block on 2-minute chart, potentially test a 5-minute change in the state of delivery, or 15-minute inversion. Ideally. So once again, I did not mind, as I said at the beginning, to short. 2-minute model, but what's wrong with 2-minute model today? Just tell me. Still inside 5-minute fair value gap. Just going without me, which is annoying. You got it, what I want to see. Would like to clean my chart a little bit. Five-minute fair value gap, still trying to hold this. We tested 5-minute OB. I stopped trading 1-minute model. So it's still inside 5-minute fair value gap. Still strong bullish signal for me here. Anyway, let me connect accounts. Maybe you'll try something today. Leader account, same. Okay. Would like to see a bit lower. We got breakaway gap on 2-minute chart, 15-minute inversion. But so far doesn't want to close below 5-minute fair value gap, which is strong signal, buy signal. Still inside 2-minute fair value gap. On 1-minute chart, same 1-minute fair value gap. Just a bit lower will be much better, honestly. Discount array right here, which was our original idea, right? What about 15-minute chart? 15-minute chart fully balanced on this way up. I'm not talking about like reversal right now because it's hard to anticipate reversal, but I would like to see order block right here tested. So if it wants to continue going higher, preferable to see this area right here, preferably. Looks like it closed inside 5-minute fair value gap. It closed inside 5-minute fair value gap. Doesn't want to create any inversion to anticipate a bit lower. Well, Unfortunately, this is what we have. Still inside 5-minute fair value gap. Hope to get long setup since it failed to offer 2-minute model. Just it trace a bit lower for me. So first potential support is going to be right here. Oops. If we may retrace right here and offer the action displacement, it can be the trade. I would say if it fails to hold this, then equal lows and probably something similar to this. Just looking for this purple box right now, guys. Let's see how it goes. No, it's similar projections, right? Okay. Yeah, I like that this is inside 1 and 1.5. Forcing deviation near equilibrium of previous range, which is nice. We test a 5-minute OB. Yeah, I'm looking for long. Just wanted to see from this purple box. From this purple box. That was original idea. So once again, purple box retest, displacement, my entry with stop loss below swing low. And I'm going to aim for top of this box right here. That was the plan. Let's see if we may reach this purple box. I hope so. So once again, TJF box. Blue box is TJF box. So if it wants to continue going higher, here's the last point where we can reverse. So once again, that's why I said it's support. And if we may break it, I will invalidate my long idea. Like at all. At all. We got 2-minute inversion. Trying to respect 5-minute bullish order block. One-minute chart, kind of stuck at consolidation. Let's see if, unfortunately wanted to see from order block, but since we inside 5-minute OB, it's probably okay for me. What time is this? 15 minutes left until 11. Was it OT? Maybe it was OT, so this means what I missed, but once again. Yeah, it was OT. I'm not going to lie, expect to get at least purple box tested. It's not running away from me. If it's going to just continue going higher right now, this means just no trades. I'm looking for possible twins. Let's see. Maybe twin setup will offer something. As continuation pattern, you know. How big? How big? I cannot measure even. 40 points. We got OB for twins. One minute chart looks so ugly. Okay. I'm looking at 5-minute chart. Right now we stuck between two 5-minute fair value gaps. Only my concern was I wanted to look for long inside this purple box. Instead, they just doing some shit right now, and I'm fine to sit on my hands right now because I really cannot see high quality setup. Please, that's all I ask. Be kind. No cap. Okay, thank you for advice. So here's OB. We're still inside this 1 minute OB. We got 5-minute inversion. We got BPR, I would say 5-minute BPR. We're trying to respect this. But it's so annoying so far. They're trying to hold 5-minute bearish BPR. We got 2-minute inversion and 591. Oh, that's a lot to drop then. This price action makes me feel like so depressed. With these huge ranges, look at this. Like from current price, we are like at the middle of possible where we can drop if it wants to invalidate this OB on 2-minute chart to offer 2-minute model. But it's absolutely not worth it to risk 80 points to make 80 points. I just cannot long right now because, as I said, I would like to see if it wants to offer long, it must offer from this purple box. In my opinion, from PDRA, you know? Yeah, I mean, I'm totally fine to not. Yesterday was amazing to me, so I'm not going to complain about this. What? You know, the problem that 50% of 5-minute OB right inside this purple box. Yeah, recently PM and Asia best sessions to trade. At least for me. We're still trying to hold the 1-minute OB for twin setup. I will give it like 15 more minutes if nothing is going to be right here. We'll just close charts until 2 p.m. Because right now they're trying to respect. Stuck between two 5-minute fair value gaps. Trying to respect 5-minute bullish OB. No inversions, nothing yet. It means order block. We got OB, we got two 1-minute imbalances on this way up within 5-minute OB. This price action, twin setup, it's like, you don't know what is twin setup? I have lesson about this. Yeah, they offered gold. They offered bullish market structure for me. I'm looking for taking protected, as I said before. I'm looking to take protected high. As I said before. So you guys just saw your message. 2864.3. I got one break even today on gold and 1 million trade. This one, I did not trade this. But right now, it will be nice to see, if not like this high right here, but at least equal bodies. Trying to hold twin setup so far. And cure gold. I cannot say for sure yet. We did chase to OT on InQ. It offered 1-minute order block, which is part of twin setup. It's still inside 5-minute OB. Only one concern was this purple box right here. Gold is way better, exactly so. Because I remember days when I was trying to check gold and it was so choppy, in my opinion. Like, not tradable. So that's conservative TP. So it's like equal highs, if you want to consider bodies, right? And here's protected high. It's about to turn off charts. Extremely tricky market maker by model here. I mean, 15-minute candle looks so bullish, agree with everyone, but extremely tricky market maker by model on 5-minute chart and lower time frame. I cannot long this. That's all. If it wants to be twin setup, well, just if it wanted, in my opinion, if it wants to go higher, it should respect this idea right here in discount, deeper discount. But since it doesn't want to do this, well, you'll sit on my hands. I want to check SPX real quick. SPX stuck inside 15-minute fair value gap, breakaway gap. We have equal highs higher. Offer its first reaction. Only concern on SPX for move higher is equal highs right here, but that's it. ES is like 27 points away from equilibrium of previous range. And Q like 200 points away, which is a lot. I know. If I could try short, I would do this. Not interested in longs right now. I would say just not enough retracement for me to long. But maybe just me. I will accept this. Just no trades. This is what I do recently, like trade 3-5 micros, 2-3-5 micros. On NQ. Because I cannot see a lot there. I'd like to see lowers, that's it. Not like the reversal, but retracement, deeper retracement. What I wanted to do. Very few trades this week. Most of my trades was taken during PM session. 3-5 micros. No, I'm not that brave to trade minis in this price action. Micros, yeah. I believe like PM is going to be consolidation today. Happy with performance yesterday during PM session, so not that like set with this price action right now. Wanted to take something, yeah, definitely, but I cannot find quality stops. Just once again, gold is way better. And TL. Yeah, we have twin setup right here. Just as continuation pattern. Because once again, I will sit 10 more minutes. If nothing, I'm just going to sit and backtest until 2 p.m. Just don't want to waste my time on this kind of price action. It's better to study. For me, at least. I will backtest gold. I will backtest CL. I will backtest. Oh my god, doesn't want to reach my final TP. I will backtest Euro. Let's see how it goes. At least 2 TP hit. 6R, 4R. Last one, unfortunately, doesn't want to be hit. It's okay. They just slowly going higher, which is annoying. I cannot find speed. It's just annoying. It's 11. New hourly candle opens. So usually if it wants to be continuation candle, it must be small wick, a huge body for continuation. Not looking for SMT right now, but we have SMT. Hope they're going to offer deep manipulation down. I hope so. We got OB right here. Small manipulation so far. Small manipulation to OB. Because once again, if it wants to be continuation candle, it must be small wick and huge body on 1 hour chart. For me, untradeable, yes. 5 minute wickless candle. Which one? I cannot see any. Never broke twins model. Never ever. Folded this order block from the very beginning. Oh, I deleted. Anyway, twins model right here. Yeah, I'm also going to be done probably. Long from this purple box would be way better to aim for 30% of weekly range. Instead, just going higher. Not even disappointed. Once again, happy with gold trades. Not happy with NQ performance. I mean, not bad performance on NQ. It was hard to trade for me. Again. Going to backtest once again. Let's see, maybe I will find something new. I don't want to force any trades because if I cannot see quality setup, I'm just going to I'm fine to me the trade. Once again, I did not take lots of trades this week, and I'm happy with this. So only trade that I took was high quality, in my opinion. Yesterday I took 2 trades and it was high quality. Right now, this long did not make sense to me because I expect to get deeper discount. It failed. Fine. This means just not going to execute this. For some reason, I respected my level right here, but I have no idea what this level means. But for some reason, it respected. I just don't remember. I highlighted this tonight. No, not tonight, yesterday. Yesterday night, and I have no idea, like literally what this means. But respect is so nice. Right here, see this? I don't remember. Just need to figure out this. I will try. 7. It meant something. For sure. 50-minute fair value gap? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Exactly. Exactly. It was all TJF. Exactly right. Yes. Come on. I don't have lots of stuff on my chart. It's perfect. It was all TJF. Exactly. I don't think it's going down as well. I'm just not going to execute this. On gold, I did our job. Its job, right? Where reverse from my PD ray. It offered change in the state of delivery sign of smart money reversal. Took this high right here. I mean equal highs and protected high broken. So what I can see on gold, let's analyze. So we got sweep right here. Can you see the sweep? So this means we want to find the structure right here on this candle too. After we got sweep, we're trying to find order block. Unfortunately, we cannot find perfect one because we got huge sequence of up close candles. So normally I would like to highlight this. So if it wants to be continuation, what I want to see? Maybe the tracement to 5-minute fair value gap. And do we have any PDRs? Yeah, 50% of this week right here. If I could anticipate continuation, ideally I want to see continuation like this. So this means if it may respect area right here, so basically it's 5-minute fair value gaps, somewhere right here. How we want to trade? We can trade based on 5-minute fair value gap or 1-minute OB with displacement. It's okay as well inside 5-minute fair value gap. And I would aim for 50% of hourly week. It's not always right, so it just depends on hourly candles. It's pretty much bullish candle right here. We got sweep. Candle 3 can be potential continuation, but once again, what I want to recommend, I don't know how it trades during PM session or before lunch. But if I made it trace back to 5-minute fair value gap, then I want to switch on 1-minute chart and find 1-minute order block as a reaction from 5-minute fair value. I could give it a chance. I can give it a chance to 50% of hourly week, like this. What do you think about this? Make sense? Or what do you see right now? This is what I see. Maybe I'm missing something right now. We're still inside hourly fair value gap right here. Yeah, idea will be a 5-minute fair value gap and 1-minute OB for entry. I hope everyone knows what is OB. If it may create OB, then I will be happy with this continuation higher. Otherwise, no. Let's see. So, standard deviation. This price action makes me feel so nervous. So it's okay to highlight this, like right here. But basically, usually we want to look for last swing high and last swing low for standard deviation. So if I want to switch on 30-second chart, last swing high was right here, last swing low was right here, and here's what we have. Usually we anticipate to get reaction from 2 and 2.5 back to the range between 1 and 1.5. We want to find fair value gap at the range between 1 and 1.5. Nothing right here. Nothing right here. You just trace mitigation block. I don't know, like I feel like this move from 2 and 2.5 wasn't completed. Maybe it's just me. I see this like it wasn't completed. This is why it makes sense still to me to retrace to this purple box, and if it wants to continue going higher, this purple box within this range between 1 and 1.5, it will offer speed to force standard deviation. This is based on 30-second chart. Cannot find something good on 1-minute chart. I hope it makes sense. I don't know. I feel like if I want to long, I would look for long inside this purple box. I can be wrong. The reason why I did not take this, it did not make sense to me initially. But once again, I can be wrong. So if it can drop to, to purple box, I will be happy to see this. Can you look 6B? What is 6B? Not going to lie, I'm so happy right now that it's trying to drop. 6B, you mean 6E? Or what? What is 6B? Oh, okay, I got it. We got SMT if I can compare this. We don't have flat candle. I did not reach this one. I will be ready to say it's like if it's going to be confirmed sweep. It's 5-minute chart. It left untapped for a value gap right here. Cannot confirm this yet because we got second destroy right here. But if I want to compare like SMT, we can compare this as SMT, right? Between 6B and 6E. Can we do this? I guess so. Still makes sense to wait for 5-minute OB right here. Why it's so choppy right here? Why is this picture so ugly? Why 6E is better? I don't know, like a bit better right here. So from what I can see right here on hourly candle, we got sweep right here, right? So what else I can see? Maybe you can compare with that chart. I don't know, like it's up to you. We got 2 sweeps, hourly sweeps, right? First change in the state of delivery. We got 5-minute fair value gap right here. Did not hit this. But normally at this point, what makes sense? Honestly, makes sense to hit my stop loss at this low. But from this 5-minute fair value gap, I didn't want to see this as a breakaway gap. Exactly same idea. If we made a trace to 5-minute fair value gap, not sure about 6B. What I want to say. Okay, if we made a trace to this 5-minute fair value gap and form exactly the same 1-minute OB with displacement, sure to the sell stops will be activated. This means I can forget about my TP right here. But another problem with swap this low right here as well. So it's so choppy right now. But if I want to consider last structure, if I want to consider last structure, then it's valid then. So it's like a rule for us. 1 hour sweep, 5-minute OB, like changing the state of delivery, entry at 1-minute OB plus displacement. Like it's safe. Like this. Thank you. I don't want to talk with you anymore. Like, what's wrong with you? So once again, this purple box is last point of reversal for NQ, because if we may break this, hello, this low. It's still trying to respect 2-minute OB, 2-minute inversion. Never mind, 2-minute inversion. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Don't worry, I'm just blind. It dropped like 100 points like nothing. Like it's normal picture, you know? So Teamnet model was in play. It's still in play, I would say. We got one inversion right here. Another one at the same price level. We got the closure. Where's manipulation? Oh, manipulation. We just hit manipulation level. Right here. It's first level. And if it wants to break this level, I'm going to look for another 50 points drop right here. Ridiculous. But main reason for the I did not like even miss right now. I miss long right here. Okay, just I'm happy with this. Both ES and QDH for our bullish manipulation level as potential support. Feel like 4-hour range wasn't completed yet. I'm going to change the color. Also, we got 1 minute untapped fair value gap right here. Gold, yeah, let's see. Once again, exactly the same rule that we got right here. 1 hour sweep, 5 minute change in the state of delivery, entry at 1 minute OB plus displacement. Below this purple box, target will be 591. 10 a.m. open. Below purple box only. SPX. I'm trying to be a bit more focused right now. Perfect reaction from 50% of 15-minute fair value gap. Daily open, yes. I see this. Anyway, I didn't market way better than it was last week. I feel like. We got 1 minute inversion. Yes. Why so big range? Anyway, 5 more minutes and I will be done. So, it's like first quarter of the year, and that's like by default must be accumulation, right? Consolidation, which is like we have right now. Spring should be better. We tested 50% of 5-minute OB. We just did trace back to 5-minute untapped fair value gap, bearish untapped fair value gap. Not going to lie, NQ was hard today. Also, perfect reaction from daily open on NQ, but yes, still above this level. Yeah, I was born to trade NQ. Exactly. Painful. Yeah. 5-minute change in the state of delay to downside as well. Come on, NQ. I didn't want to trade this PM session, please. 2 more minutes and I will be done. Just do something. It's 1 minute chart. We got sweep. We got inversion to downside as well. 5-minute fair value gap. If I could drop, I would do this. Yeah, 5-minute bearish. Nice inversion right here. Stuck between two inversions. I don't want to force right now. I will check gold if it may respect 5-minute fair value gap. Maybe I will give it a chance, but right now, not interested in Q for some reason. Guys, going to remind you something. If you go to description to the stream, just scroll down, you will find free PDF that attached there. It calls like prop firm guide. Download this, read this weekend. YouTube. I'm going to show you right now. Okay, you see this, right? I'm going to turn off camera for a second. So if you just go to the description to this video, see this free ICT Concept guide. It's like 160 pages of guide and free prop firm guide right here. So you can download this for free and read this weekend. Highly recommend to read this. Good stuff. Yeah, I would like to see lower. Nice reaction from 5-minute fair value gap. We have equal lows right here. We got 4-hour open at 591. I'm bad in trading like buy side. I'm into buy side market maker buy model. I'm so bad in long market, but I'm not bad in short market for some magical reason. Confirmation, trying to respect 5-minute fair value gap. Offer at 1-minute inversion. Trying to respect 2-minute inversion as well. Respected 5-minute bearish OB as well. Want to see this protected high. Like this. If we will chase, I will try. Had to enter right here, but once again, miss this. Nice reaction from TGF bucks. Okay. So annoying, so tricky price action. Yes, just each daily open. I guess it's much better to be done for the week. Just if I cannot feel the market, especially like set up right now, I guess not going to force this. Solid reaction from 4-hour budget fair value gap. What else? 5-minute OB, 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, you should receive an email like immediately. If you cannot see this, probably it's in your spam folder. So I'm bullish this week. I'm bullish. I'm green this week. But you got it. Okay. Perfect. It's this. You requested 2 PDFs because I have 2 different ones. Most of my perfect trades were taken in PM or Asia. I am absolutely not going to lie. IM was extremely hard for me last 3 weeks. So this is what we have. You cannot download this? I'm going to disconnect accounts. I just cannot feel the market right now on NQ. I will check gold right now in 5-minute fair value gap. Just we'll see if we create OB with displacement. Then I will give it a try. That's kind of tricky right now. No order block to long gold yet. Or I'm blind, I cannot see this. But probably I'm not blind, just we don't have it. I'm going to check ES real quick. We have SMT between ES and NQ. Now I'm going to disconnect accounts right now. Just I cannot feel the market. There is no PDF to download. How is it possible? Let me click the link. That's extremely strange. You need to click right here. I take trades on personal account only during Asia, overnight trades, sometimes PM session, but I never trade during Asia funded accounts because I have no idea what rule I can break. I prefer to trade like personal. Yeah, I mean, these last 2 months I execute like maybe 2 times a week, 3 times a week, unfortunately. So, download this PDF. You're going to enjoy probably my day with no trades on NQ. Yeah, I prefer to sleep during London. So, no trades on NQ today, like at all. Cannot feel the market on NQ right now. We'll stay away. Probably. No PDF. You need to request this. Yeah, I will give it a try in PM session. But no interest in trading right now. Going to disconnect accounts. Just no reason to risk something. I'm not on short. No, I'm not going to trade it. It's just already wrong time for me. I don't like to trade after 11, so I'm going to clean the chart. I'm not going to execute anything. Just not for me. It's better to stay away. I will keep my eyes on gold to try something. Big joke. If you don't like something, I can help you like to unsubscribe because probably you subscribe to my channel. No, just I cannot find any setup, so I'm not going to lie. Just going to close charts. Okay, guys, we'll come back next week. Yeah, we'll check gold right now, but we'll come back next week. You unsubscribe, perfect. Okay, guys, I will see you next week. Maybe next week will be better. I don't know, like. Okay, guys, bye.